reached at this point in top 10. So first of all, I congratulate you for that, and I'm sure that somebody will be a winner, but everybody will enjoy the session. Everybody will go through this different experience. So those who are going to win, uh, it's great for them, but others also will definitely enjoy this different kind of a quiz. I'm very thankful to my team consisting of Professor Nawaz Motiwala, Professor Saad, Professor Yusuf, and Professor Nafe. So they have done an excellent work. They have done a different exercise during a time when everybody everywhere there were quizzes. You have to just enter in the system through Google Form, respond to the quiz, and you will get a certificate. So this was a normal practice, but they came with a different idea, wherein you have been tested for different disciplines of mechanical engineering. So you have been tested for design, thermal, and manufacturing, and the top 10 scorers are now going to participate for this quiz. So it was a different idea, made to float from my team, and it resulted in a very nice, you can say, exposure to the participant. So with this, I request my team to start with the quiz. Nawaz sir, over to you.
Okay, thank you, sir. So before starting, let me explain you the rules and regulations for the quiz. So on the screen, rules and regulations for round one. Two MCQs questions will be asked to each participant. If you give right answer, you will be awarded with 10 marks. And if you answer wrong or you don't give answer within the time limit, which is set as 30 seconds, then there will be a negative marking of 5 marks. Then only those who will be asked the question should unmute themselves for giving the answer. Rest of them should be muted. The video should be kept on, which is already you are following this. And among this, fine performance will be proceeding towards round 2 and 3. Any doubts in this? If no,
No,
please
sir.
type in the chat box.
Each question 10 marks or both question 10 marks?
Each question 10 marks.
Okay, two question 20 marks, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Okay. So it seems no one has doubt in for round 1. So the rules for round 2 and round 3 will be: for round 2, the question will be of subjective type. That means you need to solve it and then post your answers. Again, same. If you get right answer, it will be 10 marks. If it is wrong, it will be negative 5. But here the time limit will be 2 minutes, as you need to solve it and then select your answer. Similarly, round 3 will be a bonus round. Question will be of subjective type. Right answer will fetch you 20 marks, whereas wrong answer will fetch you negative 5 marks. And the time limit will be 3 minutes.
सर अगर आंसर नहीं दिए तो
नहीं दिए
-5.
तो भी आपका नेगेटिव आएगा. नो आंसर और
ओके
रॉन्ग आंसर will get negative marks.
ओके फाइन.
All are done, sir. All are done.
Okay. So
Start with contestant number 1,
okay. So contestant number 1 is Bhavin.
Bhavina.
Okay. So as soon as you see the question and the options will be displayed, after displaying of the options, you will get 30 seconds to answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Rest of them, please don't answer in between.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. I'm starting. Round 1 for contestant number 1. The question is: center of buoyancy is defined as a point of intersection of buoyant force and center line of the body, center of gravity of the body, centroid of the displaced volume fluid, and last, midpoint between CG and metacenter. Your time starts now. Bhavin, you have only 30 seconds.
See, sir.
C. That means centroid of displaced volume fluid.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us check whether your answer is correct or not.
Stop.
Okay, it was a correct answer. Congratulations, you got plus 10 marks. Contestant number 2,
Mohsin.
Khan Mohsin. Okay, the question for you is
Please unmute
the
yourself.
absolute the absolute zero pressure can be obtained at a temperature of. Options are 0 degrees, 273 degrees, 273 kelvins, or none of the above. Your time starts now.
273 degrees Celsius. 273
273. Okay,
degrees.
that means you are telling option B. Mohsin,
Yes,
your option
sir.
is B.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
None of above, sir. Sorry, sir. None of above minus 273 degrees Celsius.
Just
Your
confirm
final answer
yourself.
is B or D?
D option.
D. That is none of the above.
Yes.
Okay, let
Okay,
us
time
check
up.
whether your answer is correct or not. Yes, you are correct. None of the above. You will also get plus 10 marks. Okay, contestant number 3.
Vinay. Yes, sir.
Okay, ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The question for you is Kelvin Planck's law deals with conservation of heat, conservation of energy, conversion of work into heat, or conversion of heat into work. Starts your time.
Conservation of heat, conservation of energy, conservation of heat. I think B option. Conservation of energy.
No, be specific. Don't think. Be specific. Yes or no?
Only 10 seconds are
Yes.
remaining.
Energy.
Okay, so your answer is B, conservation of energy. Okay.
Kelvin Planck law.
No, you have got minus 5 marks. The answer was conversion of work into heat. Okay. Be getting minus. Contestant number 4.
Amit Kumar.
Contestant 4, Amit Kumar. Are you
Yes,
ready?
sir. Yes. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Your question is the ratio of specific heat of a gas at constant pressure and constant volume is varies with temperature, varies with pressure, always constant, or none of the above. Start, time starts now.
Offer. Sir, option C is always constant.
Okay, option C is always constant. Let us check your answer. Okay, correct answer. Congratulations, you got 10 marks.
Thank you.
Contestant number 6,
Yes, sir.
ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The question is the efficiency of a Rankine cycle actually, increase with decreasing temperature, decrease with decreasing temperature, decrease with increasing temperature of heat rejection, and none of the above. Your time starts now.
Sir, option C.
Option C, that means decrease it with increasing temperature of heat rejection.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me check whether your answer is correct or not. Sorry, your answer was wrong. It was increase with decreasing temperature of heat rejection.
Okay, sir.
So you will be getting minus 5. Okay. So with this, we completed, I think,
First question only.
the first session of the first round.
Yes.
So we will be starting with contestant number 1 again for the second part.
Namaskar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please go a little slow.
No. Okay. Ready, Bhavin?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The questions. So with this, we come to end, I think, for two questions of round 1. So Professor Saad,
Yes.
can we have
Yeah.
the top 5?
Top five are the contestant 1 to 5.
Okay. Contestant number 6.
Has a score of minus 10.
Okay. Name.
Ramesh.
Okay. So Ramesh is not proceeding towards round 2.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you for joining us. Okay, should we start for round 2?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
All of you, please take your pen, paper, and calculators ready. It will be a subjective type question, and 2 minutes will be given to you to solve.
Okay, sir.
Okay, all are ready? Type in the chat box if yes. So let us start. Contestant number 1, Mr. Bhavin. Mr. Bhavin, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the question for you is the total pressure on 1 meter by 1 meter gate immersed vertically at a depth of 2 meter below the free surface of water will be. Your options are 1000 kg, 2000 kg, 4000 kg, and 8000 kg. You have 2 minutes starting from now. Others can also try, but please don't post the answers.
Sir, B.
B, that is 2000 kg.
Sir, option B.
Confirm.
Okay, let me check.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me check. Now your answer is wrong. The answer is 1000 kg. So minus 10 to contestant number
Minus 5 nahi?
1. Minus 5, sorry. Minus 5.
Minus 5. Okay.
Contestant number 2, Musin, ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The question for you is, if a heat engine gives an output of 3 kilowatt when the input is 1000 joule per second, the thermal efficiency of the engine will be 20%, 30%, 60%, or 67.6%.
67 B.
D, 67.6.
Yes, sir.
Confirm?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me check. No, your answer was wrong. It is 30%.
Okay, sir.
Contestant number 3,
Yes, sir, ready.
Vinay.
Yes.
Okay. The question is,
सवाल है.
a receiver engine has an ideal efficiency of 30%. When it is used as a refrigerating machine with all other conditions unchanged, the COP will be 3.33, 3, 2.33, or 1.33.
Reversible engine has ideal thermal efficiency of 30% when it is used as refrigerating machine. All conditions changed. सॉल्व करना है मुझे, कैसे करूं?
You have 2 minutes, you can solve.
A reversible engine has ideal thermal efficiency of 30% when it is used as a refrigerating machine with all other conditions unchanged. The coefficient of performance will be sir 3.33.
A.
Okay. So let me check your answer. You have pressed 3.33. No, your answer is wrong. The answer will be 3. Contestant number 5, Mr. Rohit. Mr. Rohit. Am I correct? Rohit?
Contestant for
Contestant
Amit, sir.
Okay, Amit, sorry.
Amit
Contestant
Kumar.
number 1.
Yes, sir.